to Boys Craft channel. Today we are going to do how to make table fan at home. Things needed: 1 DC motor, propeller, 1 switch and 1 connector of battery, little gum. Let us do it, friends. Take the battery and motor, put little gum on motor. We can connect red wire on switch, friends. Connect battery red wire to the switch. Connect two black color wires together. Now apply some glue on switch. Now let us check it, friends. Fix the propeller, friends. Let us check it. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe, friends.